Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create fun and easy NodeMCU project that will help you enhance your technical skills. Whether you're just getting started or looking to build something cool, these projects are for you. Stick around for some hands-on fun, and let's dive into the world of NodeMCU. We'll go over all the components you'll need to follow along with this project. Let's make an LED blink. NodeMCU board, micro USB cable, breadboard, jumper wires, and LEDs. Wiring. Connect the LED to the NodeMCU. I am using a beadboard here. The code for blinking an LED using Arduino IDE is given in video description. Define the pin for the LED. Int ledPin equals D4. Let's upload the code to the NodeMCU and see the result. As expected, the LED is turning on and off automatically. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below on which project you're excited to try. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and project ideas. See you in the next video, where we'll dive into more cool and creative tech projects.